You've probably heard of affiliate marketing, and you've heard of all the hype that this can make you a whole lot of money and also change your lifestyle, with almost every influencer on the face of this earth doing affiliate marketing, including me. And this has led to your search on how to actually do affiliate marketing in the proper way and how you can make money while doing it. But unfortunately, as lucrative as this niche is, if you don't have proper knowledge or proper understanding of how it works and you jump on it, you might just end up like those people that post links on every comment and expecting sales from spamming people's comments and making people angry. If you don't want to be like that guy, then this is the right place for you, because you guys have made a request that I do video on affiliate marketing, and here is the series on affiliate marketing. I'm going to be breaking every single thing down, what you need to do to be successful with affiliate marketing, every single thing that most of the successful affiliates are not revealing out there. I'm going to be revealing everything for you right here. Also, I'm going to be showing you how you can do affiliate marketing without having a massive following on social media or even putting your face out there. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish a solid foundation. What exactly is this affiliate marketing anyway? Affiliate marketing is actually a marketing strategy that is as old as our forefathers. It has been in existence as long as humanity has existed. So to break this down, affiliate marketing is the promotion of another person's product and earning a commission whenever a consumer buys the product through your affiliate link. Now, if you don't understand this, let me break this down furthermore. Let's say I'm the manufacturer of this particular product and I intend to sell it into the market, but I don't have the reach to people. I don't know a lot of people, and I don't know how to, make much more sales and get it to a lot of people to buy it from me. So I need people that knows how to reach people with my product, and I'm willing to pay them whenever they make any sales. So this process is called affiliate marketing, and this middleman that actually recommends people to the first person's product is called an affiliate marketer. So with that, let's go back in time when there was no social media available or any means to actually easily get attention or reach thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people easily, or else you are a king at that time, or even the king has to announce several days before there could be the gathering. But the way affiliate marketing is back then is by the amount of people you actually know that's actually interested in a particular product. And if you're able to understand the way affiliate marketing work at that time, it will be much more easier for you to comprehend nowadays. So let's say in the olden days, I have a friend and we are talking about buying a shoe that we will actually wear to an event. So me personally, I went to the market and I get the shoes for myself. And when my friend saw this particular shoe, he said, "Oh, I like this particular shoe." What my friend would request for me immediately is that, "Where do you actually get this shoe? I would like to buy one." Normally, what I'm going to do in that case is just take my friend there, and without any commission attached, I'm going to refer that my friend to the person and is going to get this particular product. If you are following me, you will have noticed that these are what you do in your daily activities, but you are not getting paid for it. Just think about all the products and brands that you have recommended to people, and the people eventually buy that particular stuff because you recommend it, because they trust you, because you tested the product, and because you are telling them that, "Oh, this particular stuff is so good." You are an affiliate marketer. The difference is that you're not just getting paid. Now, the main thing we want to achieve in this course is to make you profitable with affiliate marketing, to let you earn a whole lot of money with affiliate marketing. So remember, in the early days, they don't have any means of, getting massive attention. But within a click nowadays, you can actually get massive attention through social media. Also, it is very, very difficult back then to actually get your hands on a product. And after you find a product that you really want to sell, there might be a problem with the person that has the product in him not willing to actually pay you a commission for every sale you make, that is not ready to hire any affiliates. But nowadays, there are platforms, legit platforms out there that's ready and willing to pay you for every sale you make by promoting their products. So this means that nowadays you have all the tools and everything you need to succeed with affiliate marketing. All you need is just the technical know-how on how you can go about it. Now that you know the basics of affiliate marketing, the first important thing for you to figure out and for you to make research on is your niche. You need to choose a profitable niche. Your niche is like you are just selecting the perfect book in a vast library. So you don't just go to a library and just randomly go to any book and just pick it and just start reading. The book has to align with your interest. You must be interested in that particular book before you go to any word. Before you even go to any word, you actually check whether that particular department is for you or your interests. So this is very, very important. A lot of people actually miss out on this. Don't worry, I'll be showing you everything in depth. We'll be using a niche together and we'll be doing every single thing practically on this channel. So after finding your niche, the next thing you want to do is to select a profitable product. So in a particular niche, there might be thousands of products related to that particular niche, and you can promote any of them. I will show you also later in the subsequent modules how you can actually select a profitable product that you can promote within your niche. Now, as you find your niche and you select a profitable product, the next thing that you need is affiliate platforms or affiliate networks. These networks are very, very important because sometimes people do find networks and they start promoting their products, but they run into the risk of losing all their ad-end money because these platforms are not trustworthy. So this is what I'll be breaking down also for you in this course. I'll be showing you the platform that I use and the ones that I see as trustworthy that I've used over the years, the ones that pay higher commission that you can be much more profitable with. Also, the ones that their withdrawals are very, very easy and seamless. Every single thing you'll be discovering there in this particular course. Now that you have all these three, these are the basic things that you need to get started with affiliate marketing. There are two additional information I have for you that you must bear in mind as an affiliate marketer, and that is number one, you must learn how to create quality content online. So content is the art of your affiliate marketing. So what I'm doing also on this channel is to actually guide you through on how to create highly engaging and captivating content, and also how you can incorporate your links into your content. So whether it's through a blog post, whether it's through videos on different social media platforms, I'm going to be explaining every single thing for you. And luckily, these days, you don't even need to start creating videos manually by yourself. This is why I said you can actually go faceless with affiliate marketing nowadays, because there are now tools that you can use, AI, you can use to create videos, like 50 videos easily in just a day with just the tap of the button. The second thing is the importance of transparency and trust. Building trust with your audience is very, very paramount, and this is what will separate you from every other people that are doing affiliate marketing, and they are only after the money, not the building of trust. Like I always say, if you actually make sure that you establish trust in your customers, they will keep coming forever. You can actually sell more than 1,000 products to just one person instead of looking for 1,000 people to sell a product to. So why will someone buy 1,000 products from you? This is because the person has actually trusted you from the first impression. That means the first time you had a conversation with the person, or the first time they buy your product, they actually found you valuable and they found out that you actually over-deliver on your promises. Later on in the subsequent modules, I'm going to be explaining how you can gain the trust of your audience and how you can sell seamlessly to them. Not only one product, but how you can sell multiple products to just one customer and earn high commissions from there. So this was the introductory part of this course, and there will be more detailed information and tutorial, practical tutorial that I'll be doing and showing you live on my system on how I do affiliate marketing and how you can also get profitable with it. So remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any information regarding this particular course right here. If you have any suggestion or anything that you want to learn regarding affiliate marketing, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'm willing to consider your comments in the upcoming tutorials. Also guys, I have a WhatsApp business community where I do share ideas with people on how to make money online. So if you want to make money online and you want to learn profitable skills, then you want to join this WhatsApp business community. This business community is totally for free and you don't have to pay a dime to get inside this business community. To get inside, just check the first link in the description. My name is Ola Oshumayowa and I remain the mayor of Mayo Concept. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.